Hey, it's your boy DTM here, chilling. About to jump into this river, but before I do, I wanted to snap off a quick video. I finally bought a little short tripod, and I got this awesome little mic that hopefully sounds good. But today I wanted to talk about the culture of health. Right now, we've got the culture of sickness going on all around us. And I want to just counterbalance that by saying that health is awesome. And health is the result of a clean, clear colon and a clean, clear heart. So communicate, and if you can't talk to the person you're with, you might want to think about, you don't want to get all clogged up in your heart. And then the mind is really just clearing that away and really actually asking yourself what it is that you really actually do know. And if you're really honest with yourself, you'll be like, not that much. And that'll help to clear it away. Then you can dive back into the spirit of life itself, to the source of life, which is pure, pristine stillness, silence, and infinite power. And that'll help you to slow down your racing mind, because right now you see in society people are really, really wound up. And so to unwind is the key, because health is already inside of you. So unwinding all those habits of eating, unwinding all those habits of the lack of communication, holding all that inside so that you're a ticking time bomb. Unwinding the mind through meditation, solitude, and being honest with yourself about what it is you really do know. Like, you picked up a lot of facts in school and at church, but do you really know? Have you had the experience yet? You really want to have that experience, and then once you do, you realize you don't know that much, and it kind of sets you off the hook. Then you can free your mind from the prison of knowing, the golden polished prison of facts and data. And then you can enter in and leave the cage, the golden cage, and just go out the door and fly into the freedom of being. And then you can just have fun, childlike curiosity. So the culture of health and a society based on the culture of health is getting healthy before we get sick, is looking out into the future and knowing that if you modify the terrain and you keep the terrain, particularly the gut, which then has a reflection within obviously the bloodstream, the nervous system, and the lymphatic system. So keeping that gut clean and clear with periodic fasting, fruit diets are amazing, juice diets, water fasting, whatever you can do to take time to give the liver a chance to produce the enzymes that break down the buildup of matter. For some people, it's processed carbs. For other people, it's large amounts of different types of animal products. Cooked dairy is really dangerous, especially for children, where they can get overloaded with the mucus that's associated with the cooked dairy, and then those infections can take place. So modifying and purifying the terrain and keeping the terrain electrical. That's why as much of the fresh, raw, living foods as you can get is going to keep the system electrical. So carbohydrates are really good unless they have the minerals cooked out of them. Then you have a non-electrical carbs, and that's what's going on in society. That's why there's the low-carb diets. But that's why everyone has to rely on coffee, because carbohydrates generally work as a source of energy. And if you're eating cooked carbs, I can understand why you want to be on a low-carb diet. But if you're eating electrical carbs, which is the fruits and the vegetables, now you've got a whole other class of electrical carbs that keeps your body from getting into that state of dysbiosis and that fermentation, okay? So the culture of health is about getting healthy now before you get sick. Understanding that it's important to watch what you eat, periodically fast, eat those electrical foods, make sure you get to bed on time, get out and get some fitness, yoga, bicycling, rebounding, weightlifting, swimming, anything. Right now I'm out on the most epic hike of all time. I can't wait to go back and go get some dinner. So I'm going to let you go now. I just wanted to plant a little seed. I really just wanted to say hello and make a quick little video reminder. I know right now people kind of look to me, to keep them inspired, and I'm honored to do that. So I really hope that you're inspired by this short little video, DTM style, and that you continue to take good care of yourself. Just treat yourself like a king or queen and work on that. Work on that physical, work on that colon, get it cleared out of there. There's a million ways, colonics and high fiber living foods that are fresh. And then keep your heart clean. Communicate. And if you can't communicate with your partner, you're not sure what you want to do, go get some counseling and get it off your chest. Get your heart clear, you know? And then your mind, just really, meditation is the absolute key there. And getting that, watching yourself be able to just block the thoughts before they even come. You can begin to get into a state where you don't even allow the thoughts to arise, and you can keep your mind nice and clear. Then you can stay free, and you can have that childlike joy, and you can go out and just have a really, really good time and have fun with life, and you can spread joy and love. That's my intention today on this trip. That's my intention on this video, is to spread joy, love, and the knowledge of life. And we can go on, and we will. I'll make some more videos just because that's what I'm ordained to do. And I'm happy to do so. So please be inspired, take care of yourself, and take some of these little tips from this video and take care of your temple and live a great life and be a healthy cell in the body of humanity. Right now, we need all the help we can get. So thanks for watching this video, giving it a thumbs up, subscribing, and I will make a video when I get another chance, okay? Peace be with you. Thank you very much. Aloha, mahalos.